So we go to the shading from adding some material for that. Okay. Or actually, let me. I have a add on that it called for easy HDRI. Okay. But in this case, we don't want to use that, and we are going to use a sky texture. Okay. So now if I press Z, go to the render mode, and we are switching to cycle instead, and I select the GPU because my GPU is much better than the CPU. So I press 3, go to the orthographic, and I turn on the denoising so that we don't want to see some noise. So I just play around with this guy. We don't want dust, ozone, and we play around with the air and make that really small, and it looks that it's morning. Okay, and I want that. So we play around with the sun rotation, and I want to, yeah, see those from here, from this side. That's really nice. So everything is pretty white right now because we didn't add any texture. So that's about our sun. It called for Nishita. Nishita is a really great sky texture that you can use that in all over your project. Actually, here's too nice, and here is we see a really black and a scary hole. Okay, so that's it. So press 5, and we are looking from the orthographic view. Okay, so that's it. So actually, here is fine.